Imagine you're standing outside on a warm summer night. The sky is clear, stars are sharp, and suddenly, something strange catches your eye. There aren't one, but two moons glowing above you. One is familiar, our soft silver Luna. The second one, a little smaller, closer, brighter. And it wasn't there yesterday. What would happen next? Would tides crash? Would Earth wobble? Would nights become twice as bright, or twice as dangerous? Today, we're going deep into a world where Earth has TWO moons. How would this change our weather, oceans, animals, technology, and even humanity's future? Let's begin. If Earth had always had two moons since its formation, the entire history of our planet would be different. But imagine a scenario where, suddenly, a second moon enters Earth's orbit, captured by gravity. Right away, the sky becomes different forever. Nights become brighter. The combined glow of two moons would make the night sky almost twice as bright. Cities might not feel much difference, but rural areas, they'd almost have natural street lights every night. You'd be able to walk outside at midnight and clearly see your shadow. Without electricity, romantic nights become a little less mysterious. Vampires probably wouldn't be happy. But the real problem begins with gravity. Two moons equals to sets of gravitational forces pulling Earth in different directions. And that means trouble. The moon already controls our tides. Add a second moon, even a small one, and the ocean would go wild. Mega tides, we're talking. Tides 2x to 4x higher. Coastal cities flooding weekly. New coastlines forming. Entire beaches disappearing. If both moons align on one side of Earth, their combined gravity could create supertides never seen before. Cities like New York, Karachi, Tokyo, Miami, London would face regular floods. Insurance companies, finished. Surfers, best day of their life.
One moon already stabilizes Earth's rotation. It prevents our planet from tilting too much. That's why we have stable seasons. But if you add a second moon, Earth becomes wobbly. Not dramatically, but enough to cause unpredictable seasonal shifts. Summer could last a little longer one year. Winter could hit harder the next. Animals that depend on seasonal cues, migration birds, Arctic wildlife, would face chaos. Millions of years later, Earth's climate would evolve into something new. Not worse, but different. Unpredictable. Wild. Two moons equals double the moon phases, double full moons, double eclipses. Double crescents, double lunar shadows. You'd see one moon waxing while the other wanes. Or a full moon next to a thin crescent. Imagine the aesthetic. A crescent moon resting beside a glowing full moon. Instagram would explode. But there's something even crazier. Double lunar eclipses. Sometimes one moon would pass into Earth's shadow while the other stays bright. Or both might eclipse together, turning the sky dark red. Astrologers gone insane. This part gets scary. Moons don't just affect tides, they affect Earth's crust. With two moons pulling and stretching the planet, the tectonic plates feel uneven pressure. The result, more frequent earthquakes. Not catastrophic ones every day, but enough to increase seismic activity, small tremors. Volcano pressure, fault line movement, countries sitting on active regions like Japan, Indonesia, Pakistan, Turkey, and California would feel it the most. Animals depend on moonlight. Predators hunt better during bright nights. Prey hides better during dark nights. But with two moons, dark nights almost disappear. The world becomes more illuminated. This forces evolution to change. Nocturnal animals become less active or go extinct. Predators adapt to brighter nights. Birds migrate differently. Ocean life suffers due to extreme tides. Human sleep cycles get affected too. More moonlight gives less melatonin, gives more insomnia. Basically, you'd stay awake longer. Scrolling TikTok. If two moons existed since the beginning, mythology would change. There would be god of the first moon, goddess of the second moon, dual eclipse rituals, sacred double moon festivals. Calendars would be different. months would follow 2 sets of lunar cycles. Humanity would develop societies based on moon patterns. Even early navigation would change. Sailors depend on tides and night visibility. With 2 moons, marine travel becomes harder and discoveries slower, which means history would not be the same. Human civilization might advance slower or faster, but definitely different. Modern technology would be hugely affected. GPS becomes unstable. 2 moons interfere with satellite orbits. Satellites would require constant adjustments to avoid gravitational distortions. Space agencies like NASA would spend billions maintaining stability. Satellite internet becomes harder. Starlink, crying. But there's also a huge advantage. Earth now has stepping stones for space exploration. Humanity could build bases on TWO moons, mine double resources, create double launch pads, build a stable multi-moon transport system. This makes reaching Mars and beyond much easier. 2 moons equals more gravity assists equals cheaper deep space.
Imagine standing in the desert at night, 2 moons glowing, shadows overlapping, stars shimmering, a planetary ballet unfolding in real time. But if the second moon is smaller and closer, it moves faster. It rises earlier. It sets earlier. You'd see one moon rising while the other sets. 2 full moons at different brightness lay veils a double halo during cold nights. Massive moonbows, moon rainbows. The sky becomes a natural IMAX. Movies, art, books, poems all change. Imagine the 2 moon night horror movies, love songs comparing lovers to 2 moons, flags showing double moons, festivals celebrating twin lunar cycles. Even religions evolve differently. 2 moons would become symbols of duality. Bands up where we are storytellers, and 2 moons give us twice the inspiration. This is the scary part. Moons don't stay still. Orbital resonance could cause them to drift. If both moons move into unstable resonance, they could collide. Not today, not tomorrow, but over millions of years. A moon-to-moon collision would generate a giant debris ring, new mini-moons, meteor showers lasting years, potential extinction events. Earth might end up with a Saturn-like ring, but the cost would be catastrophic. Yes, but we'd adapt. Humans adapt to anything. Climatidalization cycles. Life would not end. Life would simply evolve differently. But would Earth be more beautiful? Absolutely. More dangerous? Definitely. More inspiring? Without a doubt. Close your eyes and imagine you're hiking at midnight. The world is quiet. The horizon glows silver. Above you, 2 moons watch over Earth like ancient guardians. One calm, one fierce. Both shaping your world in ways you never realized. And you think to yourself, what a crazy planet, and what an insane universe. So, what if Earth had 2 moons? The answer is simple. Earth would become more beautiful, more chaotic, more unpredictable, more alive. And humanity would learn to survive under 2 silver giants glowing in our sky. If you enjoyed this journey into an alternate Earth, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and tell us, what should we explore next?